In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood strut on this Ford F-150. This is also commonly known as a lift support or a support piston for your hood. It's one of the two pistons that holds up the hood when you open it. If you need this or any other part, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. Now I want to disconnect the top first. Use a little pocket screwdriver and you'll see a metal clip that you have to pry outwards. Sometimes it's tricky getting the screwdriver in there because these are somewhat tight and they also get a lot of debris built up over time. Okay, there we go. Try to get underneath it. If you can't use the pocket screwdriver, try a pick. Anything that'll fit there really. So as you pry the clip out, support the hood and pry the hood strut out. The hood will come down at this point. One strut is not enough to support it, so you're going to have to hold it. And then from the bottom, sometimes you can pry it out like this. There we go. Now let's take our new one. Remember that this part goes towards the top. I want to click it onto the bottom first. So all you have to do for this is just press it onto that the ball pin. It should snap in. And then you want to do the same thing on the top. As you can see, in my case, it doesn't line up because it needs to spin. Just twist it. There we go. And push the hood up or down, whatever you need to do to get it to line up. Press it in, and that's it. You can let go of the hood, and you would do the same to the other side now. And there you have it. So there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like. And if you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our future content. Thanks for watching.